Frequently you hear about community property in a divorce and the division of community property. Less frequently you hear about separate property. However, in many Texas divorces, separate property is actually more important than community property. The reason for this is separate property in Texas has to be set aside to the person that owns the property and is not subject to division by the court. Separate property is basically defined as property that you owned prior to marriage, that you inherited while married, or that you received as a gift while married, or that you can trace to one of those sources. If you can trace or prove that you have separate property, then the court in Texas is required to set that property aside to you and cannot award your spouse any portion of that property. It's very important to have an attorney who is willing to take the time and the effort and has the skill to trace your separate property in a divorce. Frequently, time spent tracing separate property will completely change the negotiations and the divorce settlement or the divorce division to your benefit. So therefore, when your attorney starts working with you and asking you questions about inheritance, gifts, about property you own prior to marriage, bring all of the details forward to your attorney because your attorney is really trying to protect you.